Welcome to this Metricome Explainer. Today, we're unpacking how making durability your top procurement priority totally transforms your sustainability.
So let's dive right in. Is that dirt cheap equipment actually just an illusion masking a huge financial drain?
You see, bargain price tags often hide a complete lifecycle nightmare. We're talking endless maintenance, downtime, and pricey disposal.
When cheap gear fails fast, it multiplies your environmental footprint and causes total operational chaos through relentless waste.
Real durability is the ultimate efficiency hack. Stopping waste before it even exists beats the heck out of recycling.
Okay, so how do we fix this? Well, we have to radically upgrade how our businesses actually select products.
The key? Demand a minimum service life, way better warranties, and guaranteed repairability right out of the gate.
We literally need to ignore sticker prices. Instead, compare the actual lifecycle costs per year of reliable service.
And hey, don't trust flashy marketing. Make suppliers prove it with testing standards, repair manuals, and spare part guarantees.
Plus, we need an operational shift. Trashing equipment shouldn't be our knee-jerk reaction just because something breaks down.
Skip the landfill. Build a repair-first routine instead. Assess, refurbish, reuse, or donate before even thinking about takebacks.
Next up, track your failure data. Turn those frustrating breakdowns into serious leverage for making smarter purchasing decisions.
By tracking service life and warranties, you finally hold suppliers accountable for dumping recurring, low-quality waste on you.
It's time to flip the script. Just asking if something is recyclable or low-carbon simply isn't enough anymore.
The big takeaway here? In modern procurement, buying things built to last really means building to waste less.
So, before pulling the trigger on that next purchase, ask yourself, how long will this actually last? Thanks.